welcome to our video. Today's topic is Windows key shortcuts. I've listed some of the famous ones over here. Well, most of us might have been using the Windows key just to get to the desktop, like just to minimize a game or an application and then get to the desktop, but there's much more to it. With that being said, let's get into the video. So there are multiple shortcuts which you can use. So initially, if you just press the Windows key, it will open or close the startup menu for you. Next is Windows plus pause or break key. This can be very handy as it opens up the system properties dialog box for you. For example, if you're purchasing a new laptop or something, you can simply use this combination to view the properties or the system requirements, or however it is there, so it can quickly get you to the properties of that particular laptop or computer. Next we have Windows plus D. Now this might be the favorite one to some of the guys, as it can take you straight back to the desktop. For example, if you're watching a movie or something while you're supposed to be working or studying, and somebody checks up on you, you can get back to the desktop straight away with this one. Next is Windows plus M. It minimizes all the windows for you, so this can be handy as well when you have multiple windows open and you just want to get back to the something else on the desktop. Next is Windows Shift plus M. So this is just an next step to the Windows plus M because it restores all the minimized windows for you. Next one is Windows plus E. It opens up the file explorer, so you can just get to different folders inside Windows. Next is Windows plus L. This can be very handy if you want to go for your break and you're just in the middle of something. You can just press this to lock your computer, go away, so nobody else can access your laptop. Next is Windows plus R. It opens up the run dialog box for you. So this is usually used to run different programs, and it just takes you, this is like a shortcut to get to a program. Next is Windows plus Tab. It opens up the task view for you, and then you can just switch between different windows which are open, and this can be handy as well. Some people like the view, so they can just use this as well. Windows plus V. Now this opens up the clipboard app for you. Clipboard app is very handy because wherever you copy, it saves it on clipboard and then you can just take it from there, so it's kind of a backup for all the data you copy paste. Next is Windows plus the up arrow key. So that can be used to maximize a window, and then Windows plus down arrow key is used to minimize the window. Next is Windows plus the left key. Now this and Windows plus right key, combination of both can be used to maximize one window on one side and one window on the other side, so you can multitask things at the same time, or you can just simply copy. If you want to copy paste the data from a different window, you can just open it on the right side and then you can type the same on the left side, so this can be very handy. Next is Windows plus Home. So this minimizes all the windows which are open except for the one which you're currently working on, so this can be handy sometimes as well. Next is Windows plus G. This can be used to open the game bar, so this can be handy for the gamers if they want to record their gameplay or something, so this is a shortcut for that. Next is Windows plus I. This opens up the settings menu for you, so if you want to get to the settings quickly, you can just use this to get there quickly. Next is Zoom. So this is Windows plus. You can use it a combination of Windows plus sign or Windows minus sign to zoom in and out of the with the magnifier app. So it opens up the magnifier automatically and then zooms in for you. Now, don't panic. If you're stuck with the magnifier, you can simply use Windows plus Escape key to exit the magnifier. Next and the last one is Windows plus print screen. Now this can be very handy because it takes the screenshot of your current desktop screen and it automatically saves it for you. So rather than if you just press the print screen, it might take the screenshot but it doesn't save it for you. You have to actually copy paste it somewhere. But if you use a combination of Windows plus print screen, it automatically takes the screenshot and saves it inside the screenshots folder within your pictures folder. So this can be very handy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.